Hi, Debbie here. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Trespass 2 litre hydration bladder. I just want to share my experience with this inexpensive product because it has been an absolutely vital addition to my outdoor gear. First and foremost, staying hydrated is key when you're out and about, right? And this bladder is brilliant. Before I got this, I used to fill up lots of water bottles for longer days out, and my backpack was heavy, and I kept having to stop to access my water. With this little gem, though, I can sip on my water throughout my journeys without any hassle as I'm walking. The tube is long enough to reach my mouth effortlessly, and the bite valve here is smooth and leak proof. With its generous 2 litre capacity, I never have to worry about running out of water during my hikes. It keeps me refreshed and energized throughout my entire journey. What I love most about this hydration bladder is its convenience. It easily fits into any compatible backpack. You can see my review for the Osprey hike light on this channel too, which the bladder fits into perfectly. Plus, the bladder itself is easy to clean and dries quickly. I usually just pop it in my freezer, ensuring it's germ-free until my next adventure. Then I take it out, fill up with water here, and I'm good to go. Durability is another standout feature of the Trespass 2 litre hydration bladder. It's made from tough, high-quality materials that can withstand rugged terrain and harsh weather conditions. I've accidentally dropped my backpack a couple of times, but the bladder remained intact with no leaks or damages. Lastly, the bladder is incredibly lightweight, which is a bonus for me. However, obviously when it's filled up with water, it's that wee bit heavier. And I like to pack light, and this bladder doesn't add unnecessary bulk to my backpack. It's a practical and efficient solution for anyone who wants to stay hydrated without compromising on weight. Thanks for checking out my review, and I hope you found it helpful. Happy hiking!